Hello brothers, sisters, how you doing? This your boy Cookie with Sindaco and I'm back again. Yeah, so in this video, I would like to acknowledge some people in the industry. And when I say industry, I mean our cooking industry or our cooking food. Because I believe they've done extremely well, not only showcasing our Ghanaian food to the world, but also inspiring others to learn how to cook and also to show their cooking skills on social media. And also, I believe they've saved relationship in terms of cooking as well. Yeah, so this is a personal acknowledgement to my seniors in the game, and I believe you also agree with me. And one way or the other, we've worked these people, we've learned a lot from these people. So in every industry, there's some gatekeepers that set goals and standards for others to follow. And these people that I'm about to mention their name have really set the goals and standards. Not only that, but also showcasing or putting Ghana on the map. And these are 4 powerful Ghanaian ladies that have been following their page years ago, way before I started mine. And very interesting that all of these 4 ladies, like, they are not from the same region, like individuals, yeah, different tribes. Really interesting and amazing. So first on the list is Ndudu by Fafa, and she's an Ewe lady. So Ndudu means food, and she's called Fafa. So Ndudu by Fafa, that means food by Fafa. So I saw this lady on YouTube, and at first I didn't know she was Ghanaian because the accent and the way this lady was speaking her English, I thought she was Nigerian or a different African country.
My name is Fafa Gilbert, and welcome to my creative African cooking channel in Ndudu by Fafa. It's not any other food, it's in Ndudu, where flavors are enhanced, natural flavors of course, and then the dancing goes on. And it's like the best dishes ever from the continent.
But recently I got to know that she's an Ewe. She's from my hometown. She's from my hometown, yeah, my second hometown. She's an Ewe. And like, this lady has been she has been doing some amazing work on her page, man. Like, quality video, food, everything intact. You need to check it out. She has an amazing page showcasing a lot from her hometown, which is Volta region. Man, you love it. Ndudu by Fafa. Check her out and make sure you subscribe and follow her. So the next on the list is Original Mama Betty. I saw this lady way back, and I remember her first video that I saw, she was cooking at the backyard, and she was using the big pot cooking.
Na my sister made them many wow and a simple recipes and jollof based stew.
And I was like, hey, who is this lady that she has a backyard and cooking like in Africa? So I got interested in her, and then I didn't have even a YouTube account. So just like a random visiting YouTube and watching video, and it was really amazing. So Original Betty is a fancy lady, and in her own style, using the local language to express herself nicely, very fluent and eloquent, using the language to explain certain things, showcasing our local food to the world by demonstrating the different ways and method that you can prepare our local food, which are Ghanaian dishes, yeah. And like, you need to check it out as well. Original Betty, man, you love it. You love it. The next person that I have is the Nabes Kitchen. So the Nabes Kitchen, I saw her not long ago, like 3 years ago.
Today we're going to be preparing shito, a Ghanaian condiment that goes with wache, rice, fried yam. A lot of people are very intimidated by the preparation of shito. I am here today with the goal to show you the best tasting shito prepared the easiest way. And
I went through her works, and it was amazing. Like, I really appreciate like the work that she has done. Man, it's impressive. You need to check out these ladies. They are really doing well. And all these 3 ladies that I've mentioned, they are in abroad. They are not in Ghana. So Ndudu by Fafa and Original Betty are in the UK, and the Nabes Kitchen is in America, the States. And man, they are really doing good work. You need to follow them. Check them out, and you love it. Yeah, you love it. Like, the way they express themselves and they explain things for you to understand, man, it's over there, man. So the last but not the least is sweet Adjeley. Man, the sweet of all sweeties, Orokodo. Man, she says, "Call Cherry, my hubby too. Sweetie, have me too. Oh no, have me too."
And happy World Kinky Day. Yes, y'all, for the best kinky recipe, visit Sweet Adjeley Junction. Okay, that is where you will get the best gakeke. And guys, ke onamini ochemi sweet mahabotu.
Yeah, this lady, I just heard a name like that. Everybody was mentioning her name, Sweet Adjeley, Sweet Adjeley, Sweet Adjeley. And she's our biggest YouTuber when it comes to the cooking community, like in the Ghanaian community. Man, this lady has done amazing work. Like, the speed in which this lady is going, you need to be careful. She's really amazing and very sweet as well. Just said like her name, But I was thinking maybe they will add Adjeley to her name, Sweet Adjeley. You know, I love that name, Adjeley. She's a top notch, you know. She has done amazing for Ghana by putting Ghana on the map and also showcasing our Ghanaian food, inspiring others, some of us to start our YouTube page and also learning how to cook, saving marriages and relationships. Yeah. Orokodo, it is what it is. So Sweet Adjeley is a Ghan lady, and she has blended the Ghan with Ghan style, with the Fanti and Ashanti and everything. Like she cooks all the tribes, everything. She does everything. That's really perfect. So if you don't know Sweet Adjeley, if you don't know Ndudu by Fafa, if you don't know Original Betty and Nana's Kitchen and the others, check them out and trust me, you will learn a lot from them. Only if I'm not lazy. Only if I'm not lazy, you learn a lot from them. I was at Ghana party in the park recently, and the lady gave me her phone to put in my name on a YouTube search. And as soon as I clicked the search, Sweet Adjeley was the first name that came up. Mine, everybody knows her. She has done an amazing job. I was speaking to a Nigerian friend, and she was calling her name Sweet Adjeley, Original Betty. I said, wow. So you know all these people. We need to clap for them. And big ups to you all. I truly appreciate you ladies for the good job done. And I can't wait to meet y'all one by one, man. One by one. I know you are in UK. I'm also in UK. I need to meet you before I go back to Ghana. And Sweet Adjeley and Nana's Kitchen, God willing, next year summer I'll be coming to the States, and I know I'll definitely meet you ladies. Man, I need to taste your food. You can't just put me in that state of just seeing on the screen like that. I need to taste it. Anyway, testing officer 1. Orokodo, it is what it is. And lest I forget, because of the fake products or fake seasoning people are selling in the market, these ladies have come with their own idea of making authentic seasoning for your cooking. And you can check them out, Sweet Adjeley or Original Betty in Ndudu by Fafa. They sell organic and authentic seasoning made by them. So you know that when you're buying something from a YouTuber or a food cooker or a chef or a cateress, you know you're buying the correct thing. So check them out from their description box, and you will love it. Yeah, so this is a little acknowledgement that I want to give to my seniors in the game, because as they say, your food your part any piano, and these ladies have really what food your part anyway. So they push one more, yeah, so that yes, so when we do the same thing, we will push here. It is what it is. Yeah, so that's it for today. If you see them, tell them I truly appreciate them and I love them. So in the description box, I have a campaign going on, support my travellings, which I'll be going to Africa very soon to discover some of their food that they have over there, and I need your support to do this. So if you love my video and love what I do, kindly click on those links. There's PayPal, there's GoFundMe, and there's Momo Transfer. Click the one that is convenient for you and make your support. Donate towards my traveling so that I can bring you more organic and authentic content, and you also enjoy from home. Yeah, they hope like the video. Yeah, share, tell a friend, tell a brother. Cooking with Sindaco. Orokodo, it is what it is. Let's do this again for Shazam Maneza. I'm out. Peace and love. One.